Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is exponent powers. Now in today's class, dear students, we also take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is exponents and powers. Dear students, this is the very important questions. So before discussing the questions of exponents and powers, first of all, we discuss about some important basic laws of exponents. Without learning clear the concept of laws of exponents, you can't solve any questions of your syllabus. So let's see. Very important. So first of all, we are going to discuss some important laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Dear students, the most important laws of exponents are if a power n into a power n, then you know that we can write a power n plus n. You know that very well. Similarly, if a power n upon a power n, this bases are same, then we can write a to the power n minus n. Okay. Now, if we can write a to the power m to whole power n, then we can write as a to the power m into n. Okay. And if we have a upon b to whole power n, then if we split the bracket, then we can write a to the power n upon b to the power n. So these are the some basic laws of exponents. Okay. Similarly, if we have a power minus n, then we can write a upon plus n. This is a very important basic laws of exponents. If 1 upon a to the power minus n, then we can write a to the power plus n. If this is a very important, if a upon b to whole power minus n, okay, in a fraction form of a number and its power is minus n. So first of all, we convert into the positive. So for that, we can write b upon a to whole power plus n. So these are some basic laws of exponents which are very important for you and your upcoming examination. We just revise all the chapters and all the chapters is done. Now we take some important questions based on this topic. Let's see. Now the question is simplify each of the following. Simplify each of the following. First part of this question is minus 4 to the power 5 into minus 4 to the power minus 10. Second, 2 power 5 divided by 2 power minus 6. Next, third part of this question, minus 4 to the power 3 into minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 3 into minus 5 to the power minus 3. Okay. Now, next one. Next one 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125 upon 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5. These are very important. Now let's see solution one by one. So first of all, we take and solve the first part of this question according to we using the laws of exponent. Look, this is minus 4 to the power 5 into minus 4 to the power minus 10. Dear students, look here. This is the bases are same. So power we added, so we can write minus 4 to the power minus 4 yes minus 4 to the power 5 minus 10, that is minus 4 to the power, this is minus 5, or we can write 1 upon minus 4 to whole power 5. This is the required solution. So in this way we can write this. Similarly, second part of this question, second part is what, 2 power 5 divided by 2 power minus 6. Now this is the same, to 2 power 5 minus 6. Okay, 2 power 5 minus or minus 6. So we get 2 power 5 plus 6, that is 2 power 11. 2 to the power 11. Okay, so this is the required solution of the given question. Similarly, in third question, dear friend, look. In third question, this is minus 4 to the power minus 3, 5 to the power minus 3 into 5 minus 5 to the power minus 3. So look here, this is the power is to be same. Power is same. So we can write as, look, we can write minus 4 multiplied by plus 5 multiplied by minus 5 to whole power minus 3, because of, dear friends, according to laws of exponents, if we break the brackets, then minus 3, the power is minus 3, take place at minus 4, 5 and minus 5. So in this way we can arrange the given questions in this way. Now we simplify them. So this 5 for the minus plus, 5 for the 20, 25 to 100. So plus 100 to whole power minus 3, or we can write 100 to power minus 3, or we can write 1 upon 100 to power 3. This is the required solution. Similarly, we take the last part of this question. Look, and this is what fourth part. So this is 3 power minus 5 into, we can write 10 as 2 into 5 power minus 5 into 25, we can write 5 power 3. Okay, divided by, this is 5 power minus 7 into, this is 2 into 3 power minus 5. We split the values. Now we simplify them. Look, 3 power minus 5 into 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3, right as it is. Similarly, this is minus 7, this is 2 power minus 5 and 3 power minus 5. Now look here. So we can write this 3 power minus 5, 3 power minus 5. So this for 3 power 0. Now here 2 power minus 5, 2 power minus 5, 2 power 0 is there. Now into 5 power, this is minus 2, this is minus 7. This is minus 7, na? Here this is minus 7. Yes. So plus 7, that is plus 7 here. We can write, now this is 1 to 1 into 5 power. This is 5. So this is 5 power 5 is the required solution. So in this way you can solve that type of questions. Okay, this is very important question. So please do more and more practices of the question. Now we take and solve some other important questions. Based on these topics. See a very important question, and the question is simplify each of the following. Each of the first is minus 2 by 3 now next one is what 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 3 upon 2 power minus 5 sorry minus 4 2 power minus 4 third is this is minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 power 3 power 4 and last one 1 upon 8 into 3 power minus 3 no and next one is 1 upon 2 to power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 4. Okay, these are some very important questions of your syllabus, so please dear students do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see the solution one by one. So let's see. First of all, we take first part of this question. First of all, we write given expression, given this is minus 2 by 3 to whole power minus 2 to whole power 2. Yes, look, we find the value of the given expression. So for that, what I do, first of all, you know that this is a power n to whole power n, then it is we can write a to the power a into n, m into n, a to the power m into n. Okay, now look here, look, this is the value of n and this is the value of n. ठीक है, तो now first of all we multiplying them, to the 4 minus 4. Now minus 4 take place the power of minus 2 as well as minus 4 take the power of 3 also. So we can write minus 2 to the power minus 4 upon this is 3 to the power minus 4. Now, so we can write as, look, 3 power plus 4 upon this is minus 2 power plus 4. First of all, we convert minus into the positive. Okay, now we simplify them. 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 power minus 4 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So we can write this is 81 and this is minus minus plus plus minus 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 plus. 2 means answer in plus. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So 81 upon 16 is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Similarly, we can solve second part of this question. Look, Second one, to give an expression to look here minus 8, so minus 8 now we can write 2 power 3 to power minus 1 and here 2 power minus 4, so we can write 2 power minus 3 into 5 power 3 upon this is 2 power minus 4. So here look, here we can write 2 power minus 3 and this is plus 4 according to laws of exponent into 5 power 3 means what I get, this is 125. So here we can write 2 power, this is plus 1 into 125. Okay, so we get what? We get 250. This is the requirement. This is the required one. So in this way you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Similarly, you take next part of this question. This is the third part. So this is given expression. This is minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 power, we split the bracket, 3 power 4 upon this is 3 power 4. Now look, if this is negative number, so this but the power is even, so we can write plus 3. We get as, we can write minus 1 to the power 4 into 3 power 4 upon 3 power 4 into 5 power 4. So dear student, we have, this is the 1 plus 1, this is 3 power 4 minus 4 into 5 power 4, so that is 1 into 3 power 0 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is 4 times. So we get 1 into 1 into 625, and the answer is 625. So this is the very important question. Similarly, we take and solve next part of this question. So first of all, this is given expression. So here we can 2 upon 1 to whole power plus 2. First of all, we power convert into the positive. Here we can write 3 upon 1 to whole power plus 2. This is 4 upon 1 to whole power plus 2. So we have 2 power 2, 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. This is 4. 9. This is 16. So 20 plus 9. This is 29. This is 29. So in this way, this is the solution of the given questions. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can able to solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on exponent and powers. Okay. So in this way, first of all, you clear the concept of laws of exponents, learn all the laws of exponents. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay. Thus, dear students, in next class we take and discuss some other important question of the chapter of this chapter and complete the chapter. Okay. Now, thanks to all.